We have here our collection of the Creative Mark genuine leather pencil cases. They come in 48, 72, 96, and 120 slot holders for your drawing needs. They're not just limited to pencils. They can hold an assortment of different drawing tools, and they're really designed very well for the space conscientious. Whether you're going to travel with this or put it in a drawer, they're very compact in their design and very functional in their design. I'm going to go ahead and show you that. As you can see, we have a black and brown genuine leather, and right here, this is one of my favorite features because they don't make any noise. The zippers will snap shut, and those will just open up so you can access the two panels. And I'll show you how much you can fit in one of these. Right in here, you can see that we've got an assortment of pencils, technical pens, water brushes. They've even got an eraser on this side, and then accessing this other side, we've got a little sharpener, kneaded eraser, blending tortillons, just about anything you need to go out there and do a drawing, or keep all your drawing tools in one place, depending on how many you need. If you look at the two extreme sizes, you can see that 120 pencil set is not very large. I mean, it's very compact. And then the 48, I mean, this can fit in a normal size purse or backpack easily. In fact, any of these can fit in a backpack. So very, very useful tool. Very nice. They smell nice. And I think that they would be a great addition to keeping all your tools together and organized in a compact fashion.